What's up, people? Charles here, and I'm back with another paid to click video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about my proof of withdrawals, and I've almost got all the money that I put in here. I almost got it out. I think I need about 16 more dollars because I did two withdrawals. I did one on Christmas, and then I did one yesterday, and I'm up to $79. I need 16 more dollars, and then everything after that is profit. And this site, I haven't had no issues with it, none at all. It's been no issues. I've been paid on time, and the withdrawals are most of the time usually like 10 to 20 minutes. I have my withdrawal in my wallet. in my wallet, but they made some changes. Like if you was an upgraded member, you could withdraw $2, but with the price of Bitcoin going up, the fees are a lot higher now. So they now the minimum withdrawal is gonna be $5, no matter if you upgrade it or not. So that was the news that they put out. I think they put it out yesterday, but that was the new news. But so far, so good. It's working. I done dropped down to group 6 because I did two withdrawals, and I didn't replace the 15,000 bonus ad points that I lose from being in group 7. But so now, probably for the next 3 or 4 days, I'm just gonna compound and get back in group 7, and then I'm gonna do my, the last two withdrawals, so I'll be in profit, and then I'm gonna compound. I'm gonna build this up. Cause my goal with this is to get to group 12, where it's $213 a day, and then see how many bonus ad points they take, and I'm just gonna replace the bonus ad points, and hopefully it'll leave at least $100, where I could withdraw $100 a day just from this. So that's basically it. I just wanted to show my withdrawal proof that I done got all my withdrawals, and I'm almost in profit. So like and subscribe.